Good morning, everybody. It is my cousin's engagement today.
So it's my cousin Reza's birthday. Say happy birthday to Reza.
Happy birthday, Reza. Happy 21st. You finally hit that big number. 10 years ago?
21.
10 years ago.
Hey guys, welcome to Canada. We're finally here with my local.
So this is a Vietnamese spring roll. This has chicken in it, and this has a peanut sauce. You want to try this, right?
You guys don't know about this relationship. You literally don't know about the normal life.
Oh, yeah. No way.
Is that amazing? Wait, focus it. It looks so healthy.
No, literally?
You Canadian? About?
Yes.
Excuse me, people do not know what they're doing when it comes to my ear, and they just end the camera as you.
It's not good. So our cousin we got veggie. Wow, that looks so fresh and delicious. Is there cheese on there? That's really beautiful.
Yeah, that's shot.
This is a family reunion right here.
Hey guys.
Hey everyone!
I'm totally blessing you with my presence and my beauty, so love that hair.
You notice the difference?
So bored.
I live in Insta.
I knew it.
Yeah, so we're back at the mall and we're craving something kind of fruity slash a smoothie. So we came to Orange Julius, which we have back in the States, but they don't have Jamba Juice. So if they had Jamba Juice, I would have for sure opted for that. So this is exactly what I needed. It's like a fruity, light pick-me-up. I felt really gross because I ate so much fried shit like an hour ago. But this thing is huge. Like, I mean, in America, this would be a small, but like... So, it is night 2 in Vancouver. My cousins and I are all headed out to a local bar to watch the fight. Do I know who's fighting? Absolutely the not. I have no idea what's going on. No idea about any of these sports. But I do know that I do want to get the out of the hotel, not sit there all night doing nothing like we've been doing for the past 2 nights. And I want to go out. It is also my cousin Reza's birthday. So everyone is just standing there. And it's raining. As you can tell from my hat, that used to be light brown. We're gonna take these two with us. Really? Bruh. Let's just start walking, bro. So now we're getting left. My older cousin, he's so kind. He decided to get a taxi specifically for 4 people.
There's no Uber in a foreign country. Like this happens. This is why people need Uber and Lyft.
Canada, are you dumb? Why is there no Uber? This is a huge country. Same thing. Drizzy, get them Uber. You know how important Uber is.
The hidden hills. Come on, bro. It's in your lyrics. Your own country don't have it.
We can't find a taxi that would fit us. Our older cousins ditched us. You guys, if you're watching, we're stranded here. I came here for vacation. Why am I stressed? What the? Like, I could have brought my own Honda here, driven my ass here, given all these mother. You guys, who is even playing tonight? What two football teams?
It's a fight.
Calvin Harris is playing. Calvin Harris, wait. Calvin Harris is playing football tonight at the Golden Stadium in Canada. We're trying to go, but I don't know how to get there. That's just an inside joke. I try to throw as many random words as I can together because I have no idea what's going on in sports. So, but bro, that is the same size Prius. That was so rude. That poor guy was trying to eat tonight.
Hey, there you go. There's his food.
I think right here. So we are in Las Taxi de la Canada.
Sir, do you know where you're going?
Sharkala
Yeah.
in West Georgia.
West Georgia? We're in Canada.
Why?
Is a big area of expertise when it comes to
This is chic.
Follow your boy to the VIP.
Relax, we're going to the common people's area. Okay, you won't be laughing at me when I have 6.3 million and pay for your rent. Excuse me.
What's up, player? Yo, happy birthday, Reza. No?
So, hey guys, welcome back. Time to eat. Our favorite part, right? Okay, we get it. You have a designer bag.
Should I just order a bunch of shit? You're one of those. It's called.
Hey, so we just ordered some drinks and I'm really hungry, so I opted for the double cheese nachos with pulled chicken. I'm kind of in the mood for chicken because earlier today I had some beef stuff. And I'll show you guys the nachos. It looks like this on the menu. So these are the double cheese nachos. It has melted cheese, diced tomatoes, green onions, jalapenos, salsa roja, and sour cream. And I got the pulled chicken. Episode number 204.
You sneeze on them?
Okay, here we have the Parmesan tater tots with truffle aioli and ketchup. Wing, 2 flavors, golden shark and sriracha honey. Then we got the pulled chicken nachos with sour cream and salsa. Let's try this food. First thing I'm gonna try the tater tots. These are Parmesan tater tots and they have a truffle aioli and homemade ketchup. Truffle aioli. That's really good. Really good bar food.
That was a championship win. Yeah, he won the championship. I know.
I mean, if Michael respects that,
I'm really not a picky eater at all, so you give me anything, I'm sure I'll think it's delicious.
You like it? That's how you get headaches, bro.
And then with a little bit of sour.
That was one of the best games of the season. The way the Lakers were punching.
You need to shut the up.
You don't want to get out of the way.
Okay, so round 2, I'm a hungry fat so. Pay attention. Look at it.
Oh yeah, get into it. There's that Burger King, yo. That's fire.
It's a lot better than Carl's Jr. He says. It's like Burger King. Bro, I gotta do it. Can you get a fork first?
I can't wait.
It's definitely not soup. It's good. It tastes like a ball of salt with pasta. If I made it, it would be a little better. I even rolled up before I eat it. I need it to be as standard. Oh!
Welcome back to my brother's engagement.
So we're actually going to Denny's.
Get into this, hurry.
Oh, cheese ball, hold on.
There's service here in Canada, but the people in Canada are so friendly. Baked lasagna. Cheese, sauce, and meat sauce.
And I also got a mango smoothie because I don't really like the food at Denny's. It makes me feel.
All them YouTube subscribers, make sure you subscribe to this right here. Alright, this guy right here.